Modesia Review 2025 Legit clothing brand or online scam? Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming trendy online stores are automatically scams. The surprising truth is that Modesia appears to be a legitimate clothing brand, but bar caution is still necessary. The store offers a wide range of fashionable apparel, from casual wear to more upscale pieces. You won't believe how well the website showcases product images and sizing guides, which makes online shopping much easier. Customers report receiving orders on time, with clothing matching the descriptions in material and fit. However, some buyers have noted occasional delays for international shipping and limited stock for popular sizes. The surprising truth is that even legitimate stores can have operational hiccups, so checking shipping policies and return options before ordering is essential. Payment methods are secure, including credit cards and PayPal, and the site uses SIL encryption. Customer support is responsive via email and chat, which helps resolve order issues quickly. In conclusion, Modesia is a legitimate clothing brand with stylish, high-quality apparel. Most people get this wrong by assuming unknown online brands are scams, but with proper precautions like checking shipping, sizing and payment security, shopping with Modesia can be a safe and satisfying experience.